While we are in Bali, I will introduce you to a tourist destination called Nature Studio Batur Geopark Resort.
So it's a nature tourism park but also a geopark, sis?
Yes, you are correct. Mount Batur is the first geopark of Indonesia designed and set by the UNESCO.
What are the attractions? Are they suitable for teenagers?
The coolest attraction will be to see the beauty of the sunrise from the peak of the mountain as high as 1,717 meters. It's common for teenagers to reach there because the hiking path is very friendly.